It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Z Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to add email signature to your Gmail account. Step by step tutorial without any stress. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about Gmail to be, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to add email signature to your Gmail account. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to add a beautiful email signature to your Gmail account. Step-by-step tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Gmail account, just like what you see right here. After you have successfully logged into your Gmail account, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on settings icon. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on see all settings. Then at this point here, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down and you come down to the bottom right here where you have signature right here, signature. So this is the section we are going to work on. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create new. Then right here you have to enter the name of your signature. It can be your name or your brand name. Okay, then click on create. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the signature that you want to use. I have already designed the signature with Photoshop. You can also make use of either Photoshop or you make use of Canva. So you have to do the design. So once you are able to add the signature name, next thing you want to do, you want to add the graphical file. So you have to come to the top right here. You have to come to the image, insert image right here. Then you navigate to upload, then click on select a file from device. So this is the signature I'm going to use. I'm going to select the signature and I click on open. Boom. So you can see the signature has been automatically entered. Okay. One more thing you can do to this signature here is that you can add your website. You can also add your social media links, etc. So let's see how to add links to your page. So for you to add any links, just come here and click on this link right here. So you have the link, then you have to enter the name of the link. So we can call this payment page, payment link. Okay. Then you have to enter the website URL here. So I'll have to go and copy the website URL and paste it right here. Then I'm going to click on here to click on OK. So you can see it has been added successful. So you can add as many as possible links. Let's say for instance you want to add YouTube link. Come down right here, click on link. Then you can name this Facebook. Then come to the website URL. Then you have to go and copy your Facebook page link. Then press Ctrl V to paste your page link and then click on OK. So we can come to the top right here for us to separate the link. So we just press enter key, then the link has been separate. You can also click on here to remove if you want to remove any link right here. So once you're satisfied with everything, so just come down below right here and make sure this is checked. Only send to a response to people in my contact. Then come down below right here and make sure you click on save changes. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to add email signature to your Gmail account, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.